Hello everyone and welcome back to my beauty space. It's Lara. Today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys my monthly favorites for the month of January. Alright, before we begin, don't forget to hit subscribe down below and join my little YouTube family. We're actually really close to hitting 900 subscribers, which means we're also close to hitting 1,000, and I really want to hit that benchmark as soon as possible because this is the month that I actually started my YouTube a year ago. February 18th is the day I'm going to celebrate my 1-year YouTube anniversary. I'm going to be here on YouTube for about a year on February 18th, so I really want to hit that milestone before then. Alright, without any further ado, let's get on into this video. So as you guys know, I am back in Tampa, which means I have my entire makeup collection with me, so I have a ton of favorites that I really want to share with you guys. First is makeup. So the first makeup product I want to share is this Clinique Even Better, what's it called? Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF Foundation. Bunny just scratched the chiz out of me, like on my shoulder. That hurts. Anyways, this is not technically called a foundation, even though it is a foundation. It's really strange. The purpose of this is to basically even and correct your skin, and this is the foundation that I'm wearing on my face today, and I have to say that it really does even out my skin super well. It really does brighten my skin really nicely. It does color correct and even out my skin tone from all the darkness and blemishes that I have. This is dermatologist developed, allergy tested, and 100% fragrance free. One of the reasons why I love this foundation so much is because it is like non-comedogenic. Clinique is really on top of their makeup game whenever it comes to non-comedogenic makeup products, so I absolutely love this because even though I don't have sensitive skin, I like to treat my skin as if it is sensitive and not overwhelm it with a ton of fragrance. I absolutely love this because it's so lightweight, so natural. You can build up the coverage very easily. This is a perfect everyday foundation for anyone just starting out in makeup, but for me this has been my favorite for like over a year now, and I'm so happy to have it back in my collection and I love it so much. And in this foundation I'm in the shade Latte WN82, so that is the Clinique Even Better Makeup Broad Spectrum. The next foundation is one that I've already filmed a review on and a first impressions on. This is the Oxygenetix Oxygenating Foundation. This is a breathable formula that provides complete coverage for healthier skin. Now, the reason why I love this foundation is because, first of all, I heard it from Kourtney Kardashian, and I absolutely love Kourtney Kardashian, and I feel like her makeup game is always so perfect. And since she's very into clean beauty, I thought that this was gonna be a perfect foundation for me to get my hands on. This Oxygenetix foundation, I'm in the shade Honey, and this is my perfect match, and it does have a very limited shade selection, which I'm not too happy about. I was lucky enough to have this be my perfect shade, but if you are an in-between shade or your shade is really hard to like match, I would probably have to get maybe 2 foundations and just mix them together. However, that is really unfortunate that you would even have to do that to wear this foundation. It is formulated with aloe vera, it's formulated with oxygen inside of it, and the oxygen built into this formula that was actually developed by a dermatologist for her patients to use after getting any type of skin procedure done to their face. This could be used right after that. So it's made with oxygen, which is supposed to go straight to your compromised skin cells and it fix any imperfections or blemishes that you have, because this is more skincare than it is foundation. So I'm really surprised that it does have full coverage, because this does have full coverage. My favorite way to apply this foundation is with my fingers, and I just blend it onto my face for like a no makeup day. It is so natural. It gives me the most beautiful satin matte natural finish. It's really moussey and thick whenever you apply it, almost like a foaming gel. I absolutely love it. This is my top foundation of life. It's my all-time favorite. This was definitely expensive, but if you go on lovelyskin.com, which is where I purchased it, your first order you get 25% off. This is for anybody. It's not even a coupon code or discount code. It's just whenever you sign up for lovelyskin.com, and of course I'm gonna link that down below in my description box along with everything else that I mentioned. So again, that is the Oxygenetix Oxygenating Foundation. The next foundation, I know this is my third foundation that I'm going to share, is going to be a very luxurious high-end foundation, and honestly I don't even feel guilty that I'm bringing it up because it's worth it. This is the Lemare Soft Fluid Longwear Foundation with SPF 20. I absolutely love this foundation. It was $125, which is very expensive. However, whenever it comes to Lemare, you're paying more for the skincare benefits that are formulated and meshed inside of the makeup itself. So I really enjoyed that. It is a very natural, buildable, everyday, effortless finish. It does have fragrance inside of it, which I'm not entirely mad at, because I know that Lemare formulates their makeup with their miracle broth and a velvet technology and stuff like that. So this is the foundation that I will wear almost every single day on my face, and then I will go ahead and spot conceal with my Oxygenetix foundation because it is safe for blemishes. So this foundation is literally like the best foundation ever. If you're somebody who really wants a natural, buildable, effortless, weightless foundation along with the skincare benefits that it has, and maybe you have young skin like I do, I'm 20 years old, or you have mature skin up to like literally whatever age you are, I recommend this foundation for every single man, woman, and child who wants to wear a foundation, because it is that good. This foundation, I'm in the shade 340 Suede, and it is my perfect match. Both of these foundations don't feel like you're wearing anything on your face, which is why I'm including them both today, because I haven't mentioned them in a favorites video, but they're both so high quality. This one is definitely like double or triple the price of this, so I would probably go for this one, the Oxygenetix one. There we go, that is the La Mer Soft Fluid Longwear Foundation. The next makeup favorite that I rediscovered whenever I had my entire beauty collection with me was the cult favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. In this concealer, I'm in the shade Tan, and I absolutely love this concealer because this was the first concealer that I used after coming back here to Tampa, because I was consistently, strictly using Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Concealer by Selena Gomez. That is my all-time favorite concealer. This one does give me more coverage. It is so natural and matte and just so beautiful on the face. I do have oily combination skin, and I have been using a brand new skincare regimen, and I don't really get enough sleep. So literally, like, my under eye circles are completely covered up. Even Rare Beauty, as much as I love that one, this one just takes it to the next level. I only use a little bit goes such a long way with the Shape Tape. It's full coverage, it's buildable, looks super natural and matte, and it leaves a satin finish on the face. You don't have to set this concealer after you apply it to your face, whether it's under the eyes or your spot concealing, it sets itself. All right, so the next makeup product that I'm absolutely obsessed with is a mascara that I have not used in such a long time. This is the Benefit Roller Lash, and I do have a little mini because I just don't know why I have a mini, but I do, and I really, really love it. Sometimes I feel like minis work even better than full-size products because it's like you're saving money, but you're still getting the same quality and the same long-lasting effect of the makeup. But whatever, that's just beyond me. I really, really love this mascara because, one, the mini size is like $13 and it's lasted me for so freaking long. I probably should throw it away, but anyways, this is the mascara that I'm wearing on my eyelashes today, and as you guys can see, my lashes look so long. I did 2 coats of this mascara. I absolutely love it because Roller Lash is great if you love lengthened lashes, if you love curled lashes, if you love separated and defined lashes. As you guys can see, it does give you the length and the curl, and then volume comes second. So with the second coat of mascara, then you actually start to get the volume, but right away, it's really only about lengthening, curling, and definition, which is why I love it. It's the perfect everyday mascara. It's not clumpy, it's not messy, it doesn't look spidery on your eyelashes. It's just literally the best mascara ever. The next makeup favorite that I have for the month of January is going to be this BH Cosmetics Bellini blush palette. Now this is their peach palette, and I absolutely love this because, hold on you guys, let me flip it around because the mirror. This is the perfect palette if you are somebody who loves peach, if you are someone who loves a little extra punch of color in your makeup. I absolutely love this palette for so many reasons. First of all, whenever it comes to the shades, these are all different variations of the color peach. This one is more red, this one's more neutral, this one has shimmer in it, this one's more pink, this one's more brown, and this one is definitely lighter. This is really, really great for all skin tones, whether you are light to medium to deep dark. You can wear these colors in this blush palette. Personally, my favorite colors in this palette are this one, which is Life's a Peach, and then right above it is just Peachy, and sometimes I will add just a drop of Peachy Keen because I really, really love the pink that it gives me, along with the super peach coral that these 2 colors give me down here. This is the blush palette that I will take by itself whenever I am traveling, just because I find that it has so many options in here and I can mix and match and get my perfect shade. And plus side, BH Cosmetics is a clean, cruelty-free vegan brand, and it is affordable. So you guys, please don't sleep on BH Cosmetics. This is an excellent makeup brand. It comes with 6 huge paraben-free colors. This is such a clean, vegan, cruelty-free brand. If you're someone who loves non-comedogenic makeup like I do, then I highly recommend this BH Cosmetics blush palette. The next beauty favorite of the month is going to be a lipstick. I recently purchased the MAC Matte lipstick in the shade 616 Taupe. This is the color right here. I absolutely love it because it's like the perfect shade for my skin tone. As you guys can see that right there. It is a color that I have on my lips today, but I'm wearing it on top of a KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade, I think it's pink 2. Yeah, I think that's the lip liner. It's on top of it, otherwise it will go kind of brown and a little bit more cool toned, which I really don't like. I like it to be pink and have warmth to it, which is why, as you guys can see, it definitely does look a little bit pink and more warm tone and just definitely more flattering on my skin tone. It's neutral, it's brown, it's pink. I can make it lean towards whatever undertone or shade that I really like depending on what I wear underneath. So the last monthly favorite that I have this month is going to be a blush from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Matte Blush in the shade Count Me In. This is my all-time favorite blush from Colourpop. I actually have literal backups of this shade because I don't know if you guys know, but Colourpop is like discontinuing their makeup, like not their makeup, but they're discontinuing a lot of their Super Shock products, which really upsets me because it's like, Colourpop, like, why are you discontinuing the thing that made you guys super well known and famous in the beauty industry? Like, if I were you, I would just keep it up and just keep making the same products, but whatever, that's beyond me. I have 2 shades. I have 2 products in Count Me In. One of them is used and one of them is brand new. I'm waiting to open it until this one is like dry and cracked and unusable. And then I bought a new shade in the shade Growth Flirt, yeah. So I went to Ulta after I found out that they are the last places in person that carry Colourpop, and I'm so excited that I have my hands on these. The consistency is just so nice and it's velvety and bubbly and liquidy. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me swatch one more time, but you really have to touch these Colourpop products yourselves to like understand the consistency and what it feels like and the texture and all that. But it's super bouncy, jelly, liquidy, almost like a cream to powder finish on your skin. It's super easy to apply. I'm wearing it right now on my face today. I'm wearing a Count Me In blush underneath of my BH Cosmetics blush palette. So I really love this color. It's just so natural on the cheeks, and these blushes last forever and they're only $8. All right, you guys, so that is it for my monthly favorites. This is it for my January beauty makeup favorites. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right here. I actually used a discontinued palette, but yeah, I have this cute little pop of color. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, like underneath my lower lash line, and I have really beautiful gold and brown shades on my lids. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial down below because I'm using like a lot of makeup products. And that's it for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and leave me a comment of what video you guys want to see from me next, and I will film that for you guys. And without any further ado, I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye guys.